It is time for uniting sisters. A chain is as strong as its weakest link. Each man is brother's keeper. I said unity is the foundation of survival. Got to let your love come shining through. Yeah, to stop the fussing and fighting, brothers. Save them as a black starlight. Save them as a black starlight. Save them as a black starlight. Coming, Mr. Chin. Come in, Mr. Chin. Yeah. Mr. Fredlocks, ladies and gentlemen. Give it up for Fredlocks one more time. Fredlocks. Man who gave us Black Starlight. Mr. Engineer, can I have some Eddie FITZROY with them there, so please? Man, I know the hands, right? Yeah. Wait. Eddie FITZROY coming up, man. It's Eddie FITZROY. But it's too late now, all the doors are closed. In the Spanish, the answer is oval. In a photo, Gastropus. What we got on the extra? Listen, one extra. Rastafari. Edom say. Jesus can live in a tenement. Jesus can live in a tenement.
Them out there right at Septon Road and on 2C Septon Road and go up the stage. We just performing and them say after getting moved. But they are waiting for going to the work. It's something that says it's a blessing. Again. Yes. That me a B, do you want one?
To the record at that time for a reggae song to be on the British chart. You need to reach British chart, not the reggae British chart.
Yeah, greetings. In the name of His Imperial Majesty, Emperor Selassie the First. Congo Manako. Oh. Yeah, this is Rashadai for those who don't know. Rashadai. I know for who has seen Rashadai for the first time. This is how it goes. I get the inspiration from the Most High Selassie to exalt His name in the ice. I am the all-in-one, the one in all. I am the master builder. I move through eons of time. I am the ice, all of the ice degree. I call all the stars by their name. I am the king of peace and the love of justice and equal rights. I conquer the dragon.
It's Irace Reggae night.
Today Irace Reggae night, you know, I sat down the food in the kitchen, you know, you don't know the thing, no. No manage artist, no manage kitchen. Have some stew right here, side down stew. Rice and peas over there.
Yeah, showered with kisses.
Hold on now. We soon talk to you. That we have some fish over here, so. And some vegetable right here, so.
Sheltered me from the storm, kept me warm, kept me warm. You gave my life to me, set me free, set me free. The finest tears I ever knew is all the years I have with you, and that would give them everything I
someone you know, you're loving them so and taking it all for granted. You may lose them one day, someone takes them away, and you don't hear a word they say. My life, my own, and I would give him everything I own, just to have you all back again. Irace, give thanks. Yes, sir.
Give it up for Mr. Ken Wood.
Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Ken Wood.
I'll be just like a merry-go-round with all the fun in the fair. One day I'm feeling down on the ground. So call out, will you be done? Good Lord, wonder if one you care. If you say you love me gladly, I'll gladly be there like a puppet on a string. Oh, babe. One more and done, yeah? Yeah, one more, yeah, one more. Yes, good band, good band. Irace, good band. Oh, yeah. Would chance with me, oh baby, baby I'm not joking, and it's not what I'm smoking. I really think you're nice. We'll have a good night, yeah? Other people is here to sing. Have a good night. Chance with me, oh, come on, you better chance with my baby. Good Lord, you better chance. Yeah. Ooh, baby, ooh, girl, you better chance. Oh, thanks. Thank you very much, everybody.
Give it up for Mr. Ken Wood, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, a living legend in reggae music, Mr. Ken Wood. I want to say a very pleasant good night to Mr. Rose who's in the house. We have only for honorable guests in the house, but each and every individual is an honorable guest.
Let's sing the love of a sweet home. Don't try to work your souls away. They don't know. That's it. Let's shot. Nobody want like no fool, just playing cool, because I hate you.
Like Mandela, the ganja them free. In every yard, everyone feel have a tree. Although no smoke and using make tea, it's good for you and it's good for me. Even the scientists, the doctors, ganja legal. Loving her.
Yes, Mr. KAZAM Davis.
I could see the first?
Yeah, man.
Where you mind? Understand?
Where is the love that is to set the children free? Won't we wake up? Our children of Jacob, mix me. Well, there's no grounding with the youths. So many get caught up, then disconnected from the roots. What has the leaders done? Them too caught up in them boots. My people, Africa is the place for you. Telling you just the truth. When I see the wicked, just a boom. Them so for the truth, them try to burn it from you. My people, Africa, the place for you. Telling you yes, the truth. Just stand up for the truth. People live what them learn, so do good. Wait your turn and be careful. Please be careful. Please be careful. I'll always give thanks and praise, cause I know in my heart as Jah lives and reigns. Watch the wicked devil burn up in a flames. I a real giddy money, this a lion can't tame. I a real giddy, you can get this in your brain. We got in a home, I couldn't a ship or the plane. So rise up all warriors, break down a rubber barriers, cause you know say Jah in you again. Warrior, what's up? We broke down barrier, as a man of ancient warrior. Broke down a rubber barrier, cause you know say Jah in you again. Warrior, what's up?
Put your hands together, ladies and gentlemen. Exile the brave. Come in, exile the brave. Boom.
Yeah. Yeah, man. So I greet in the name of His Imperial Majesty Haile Selassie the First.
Hey! To them what tell you but them don't tell you solution time. I said the fools them blind. To them what tell you but them don't tell you solution time. It's like them lose them mind. Lagga, big up yourself. Because the youths them hungry for knowledge and them can't buy no food. I said the city hungry. Watch for a little while we lead them keep talking blues. I know the youth them hungry for knowledge and them can't find no food. I said the city hungry, yeah. The desperation cause them to break the rules. Watch me now, your day can't start good without sunshine. I see malnutritious mouths and minds, standing with the plates and bowls in line. I love be scraping while the rich. I know the youth and hungry.
I'm on named Paglen, you know? Yeah. Son of Vincent Ford. Man of man right now, man of cry. From Trenchtown. Things from coconut shell. These make our 100% coconut shell bangles. You understand? Key rings. See, I make a lot of things from seed and bean. Ankh. You know the ankh is the key of life. Represent the man, woman and child. The ankh. You understand? Yeah, these are the ankh. You understand? A lot of things. The chalice. The chalice also. Ganja pipe. You understand? This is what I do. This is my living. Yeah, this is what I do. To feed my family.
Now, well, in this time of desolation, poverty affect we nation now. We can't breathe, it's like we got no respiration. Get up your mighty race, where you are waiting. Man said forgive and you shall get more. And knowing that the youth, the future set for. For equality we ensure. Only you want to say a while ago? No. I could have the pan. Pam 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 pam. I don't hear nothing. We're not gonna do that. No. Listen, capitalist practitioners, to me you're living dishonest. Couldn't get the job because we have different living address. System your city
is a mess, the people cry foul. You try to call the game, I know we need a ref. Yes, we living in a mess, can't find it not yet. Distract us with them smartphone and them internet. Russia protect us from the wilderness. You better share a faith to be God trust. Give and you shall get more, and hoping that the youth the future set for. Where's Mr. Chin? Yeah, Lagga, big up yourself, the vibe's nice. Yeah man, Irace, you all with it. It's simply 4 letters. Do no better, you know better. We know we are so clever. When you're weapon, when you missing, yeah. Tell me why we have to break it down, yeah. When you missing, yeah. Tell me why we have to break it off. Oh, and if this is love, love is so easy, why we make it look hard.
Don't be hypnotized by the things they put before your eyes. It's only an illusion. Be wise. Seek ye first the kingdom of the Most High Jah, and everything will be added after. Zionite children, won't you heed the commandments? Zionite children, put away your evil intent. Rhythm section. Shadow will never stand up in the ways of sinners. I sit up in the seat of the scornful, but all the light is in the Lord. Meditate on Him night and shadow will never stand up in the ways of sinners. I sit up in the seat of the scornful, but all the light is in the Lord. Meditate on Him. The wise. Satan is an evil man. Well, destruction is his ultimate plan. He's always trying to lead the children astray, yeah. Our faith must be strong to resist all temptation, yeah. Can't let us also go in decay. That's how we never stand up in the ways of sinners. I sit up in the seat of the scornful, but all the light is in the Lord God. Meditate on it night and that's how we never stand up in the ways of sinners. I sit up in the seat of the scornful, but all the oh, see me, tell me who me feel about. 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 You're looking at me face, you is South Africa now. Due to me color and me ear texture. You listen to my voice, you hear Jamaica. And that's how them carry for me ancestor. You're looking at me heart, you will find cha-cha. Oh, him and me light, I'm a protector. You're looking at me eye, and you will see that I'm an is a human well of me senses. So see me, who me feel about. See me, tell me who me feel about. See me, tell me who me feel about. See me, tell me who me feel about. It's not Barrington, it's not Lincoln, it's I, Mikey, turn around the microphone stand. And we give them style and I give them pattern. The people them a see me and a shake off me. Well see me, I tell me who me feel about.
Jamming, and I hope you wanna jam it too. When the rules make a vow, we can do it anyhow. And I will see you through. We're jamming, and I hope you wanna jam it too. Ride, not to ride. Dreddy got a job to do, and he's got to fulfill his mission. To see us earth would be their greatest ambition. But we will survive in this world of competition. And no matter what them do, Rasta keep on going on true. And no matter what they may say,
So we did it every day. Anyone when they can roll in. The speech of His Imperial Majesty until the philosophy which all one race superior. Roll in and come with Jama, the simplest one. Rastafari, roll in and shine. Bye, bye, bye. This one is called Shot the Sheriff, you know. It was I. Oh, yeah. I shot the sheriff. I say I shot the sheriff, but I didn't shoot his deputy. Oh no, it was I who shot the sheriff, but I didn't shoot no deputy.
I got the lineup, but let's check out Nature in the meantime. Come in, Nature. Put your hands together for Nature, ladies and gentlemen.
Yes, my brother. We'll give thanks to the Most High who have created all things and everyone and make this possible. Well, it's a worthy cause, so I is here to do my part, you know what I mean? For the welfare of the whole human race.
Singing for the trying man and trying woman, working for a better situation. Trying man and trying woman, working hard for a solution. Oh no, 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 rather run off on a plane, trying to get his papers straight in a foreign land. Oh, my Uncle Sam, but I remember when the Rasta say, once the last is the best now, you can smile at the storm, I say. I'm singing for the trying man and trying woman. Yeah, yeah. Time for justice. World peace. What is fighting for? World peace. Southwest, north and east. Hey, world peace. World peace. You see, whenever Jamaica go on more time, here comes obstacles. But Jamaica for go on, say go on. Well, I want to take time out to say big respect to Brother Dog right there. Because yes or no, we can't take a dog for granted, you know. Don't feel like saying the Most High created. And we're all equal, we are all animals in some ways or the other. Meaning, some of we name human beings, some of we name dog, some of we name lion, and all these things out of my brother that. Sing? Selassie. Give it to them again. Yeah, yeah, yeah. What I'm here doing, fighting for justice. World peace. What we're fighting for. World peace. Southwest, north and east. Hey, world peace. That's what I'm singing for. Hey, world peace. I really want the violent seas. They watching out. Down there in Nigeria, down there in South Africa, Sudan and Uganda, Ethiopia and all over Africa. Right just so we not jump down with a PNP and JNP. Rastafari, let not care who you are. Hey, let love set us free. Hey, world peace. Take it away then.
feel. Well, on the man, live up yourself and don't me no dread. I want to feel. Well, it's a world peace and him know I hear who don't hear feel, don't it? Because yesterday is a revolution time. Don't you know? Talk it up. Take it away, brother. Selassie, I want to take time out also to say big respect to my brother them again. My role models, the ants them after all. Because if the ants them, when them see a piece of bread, and call the rest of them friend them also make you move a piece of bread there and share it. But not for we name man-made, we shouldn't name mankind. Sometimes we see the thing and we just don't want to share, we just want to swallow it for yourself and then we choke. Well, me as a young artist, 1 or 2 songs start play. But you have some other young artists now when some 1 or 2 songs start play and a little video play on the TV, they forgot the great ones who came before them. The great ones who set it. Listen man, you don't know your past, you don't know where you're going. Respect to the elders, them and Shabba would say. Well, this is nature, and I say, yo, this is the brother also that inspired me also. So do it! And also another brother in the house, bigger say. Mama Africa, Mama Africa. Boom. I'm coming home, I'm coming home. Hello, Mama Africa. How are you? This rest of feeling fine, and I hope you're fine. Oh. Hello, Mama Africa, how are you? Well, I hope when we hear these words, your praise turn blue. Praise turn blue. What you know? I'm saying these words to let you know how much I care, and I won't let go. What you know? Even the oceans away, you're here with me now, Africa. Day by day, what you know? Memories of you keep flashing through my mind. The very point of view. If Beres starts the year, baby, I gotta call you on. Ladies, come in a need for you tonight. My poor body's only ladies, I need attention first. Until you hear me beside me, baby. There's so long. Yo, I'm a lover princess. Many try but couldn't steal my honey. Many try to get your love. Hey, I said some fool they try to trick her with the money. And around I wonder what she's made of. Hey, I think she just loves this groovy little period. Dash it there.
Thank you, like the props for go for to man and me bembe. You know how from no one can call you go fenge. Me get it by your press stenge. So you know who all the money them can call you me benge. Me but they go not just come. Yeah. Find something there, cause you don't know where they are, you know. Yeah, man, you might find something, man. And when they appear legal, them the poor people, them see them likewise. You know, we look upon them and tell them, say, cause downtown them are going with the eagle, them body and beer running up and down. Big up to all the poor people, them see them way. Yeah, me? So Babylon, no one we juggle, struggle them all we struggle, no one we have nothing, no. Something must be wrong. Where do I find something? And now, I want go on. And no road boy. Alright. Find something.
Give it up to Mr. Marshall. Unfortunately, the CD did not correspond with the nature of our activity. I'm very sorry.
What the fuck you know, call, man? Come on, they want me to look for you and can't find you. Yeah.
We from Jamaica, we love marijuana here. We love ganja here. What you do with it? Give me my comfort, make me feel so good and nice. Yeah. So we can't stop smoking marijuana, can keep it comfortable and good. Picking out the seeds them right now.
to build my spirit, right? Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together and welcome Mr. ERROL DUNKLEY. A brother by the name of Mr. ERROL DUNKLEY. ERROL, your credibility goes before you, man. I'm saying, you know, what you have contributed to humanity in terms of your music. Put your hands together, ladies and gentlemen, for Mr. ERROL DUNKLEY. And don't forget that we have DAWKINS coming up momentarily after ERROL. Mr. BERES is in the house once again. You have to give BERES a big props, family member. Sprite is still available. Yeah? I just want to remind you that you can check out RAATID.com. That's my personal website. We are on Facebook and Twitter and everything. And with that, you know, when you come to RAATID.com, you will get the historical background of the evolution of reggae music. I'm curious what is happening. Not gonna blow my heart, but I started the first reggae television program in the whole industry. So everything you've seen happening in video and TV, and I originated. And I have the last interview about Marley, Dennis Brown, Peter Tosh. I have the biggest reggae video archives from ERROL DUNKLEY, a living legend. Come in, ERROL.
You made a wonderful like me into what I'm supposed to be. You stood beside me, right or wrong. You was my weakness and made me strong. Now I'm gonna love you my whole life too. Cause no one ever does that thing you do. Darling, your love is amazing. Baby, darling, Original Ground Nation Foundation, International Jamaican Authentic Artist. Saying, it's given me pleasure to sing for you tonight because I've been singing all over the world. Just come home. Touch it! All Cinderella. Big up. Big up all the original people there. Big up their song and you never see me in there. They cannot find my blessing I've got to find my blessing and oh God, she cannot be far away. Oh, my blessing
to me. Beautiful. I don't know why. Listen to this. The dress you wear may be too tight, and folks may say they don't look right, but I don't care about the view. Good night, love you. next time.
Legendary Mr. ERROL Dunkley. Give it up for ERROL Dunkley. Give it up for ERROL Dunkley.
Your state of hopeful and bright sensation. The food for thought. I'm saying that therapeutical our mentality to keep us sanity together. Mr. Call Dawkins, ladies and gentlemen. Come here, Mr. Dawkins. Usher Dawkins. I'm going to bring the mic to you, sir. Mr. Call Usher Dawkins. Welcome, sir. Everything is covered, set enough, full and bright. You got it, Usher.
Nice to see you in the place. Hey, I'm a child, Rastaman child. Yeah, we eat. Now you've been given beer. Drums starting them pop. I and I will know the righteous path. Born in a pure in heart, yes. Can start. Pray, you ever say, hear me. Rastaman chant, chant on Babylon, hear me. With some fire, yes, we will. In our tribes and numbers, shake the walls of Babylon down with voice of thunder. We chant. Well, I tell you next time, say, we hear me. I have been given real. The drums starting them top. I and I will know the righteous path. But the pure in heart, yeah, can start, yeah, to will. Oh God, I said I must chant, chant them down, yeah. Will you hear me? It's on fire, yes we will. No times and numbers. Shake the walls of Babylon down with the voice of thunder. Oh, shake it. Ah, yeah. The mighty clean of cotton. God, to come with the light today. Yes, I jump. Beres used to say, I can read between the lines, girl. When I call you never ran, I call you never ran. Yes. I can see it in your eyes as I watch the end begin. It says, it seems like the same old story. Crying's an open book. One can say so many words with just a simple look, girl. I can see that distant smile still on your face. Boy, you must look nice one at a time. I'm a god. But I hear the pool there, the great BERES Hammond, keep singing for the ladies. You, man. Well, you amuse me every time I see her. I love you so much. She come from Japan, you man. All the sing them, man. So much people. Them say when you leave Earth, when you leave this place, the first recommendation is Madden. And it goes because the flesh will melt. And we have to do exactly what it takes to keep on, keeping on the name. Hammond, Carl, BOOTHE, and the rest of us here. Mr. Brown, stay in town. Stay in town, please. Stay in town. It's necessary. That's what it said. Well, I love your body. Well, it makes me glad, yeah. The baby I love you, and you're going away. And I'm gonna get you one of these days. Girl, I love you. And you say you're leaving town. I'm gonna make it anyway, girl. Love you bad. Let me do. Need you, girl. Oh, baby. sad as can be. One pretty face got the best of me. So me, you came into my life to give me meaning and sense of pride. Lord, 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 Lord. And I need you glad. We need to beat up reggae boys, yeah. I have some man over 50, you see. I'm ready to beat them 4-0 before half time. Benji, magic people, Alan Skill Cole, the maestro. Come on in here, I'll see my run the song. We try, but I have a bad knee, see. And Mikey, I'll deal with it for me, good and proper. And a rapper. Or the next one from France, we know you too. Rap palette. No matter which way it go, we're going to fix it on up. And like I said, Sherry Khan, it's a full-time affair. Sherry Khan remind me of John. Anyway, we there play John him come from down at Kingston Lane. We love him, you see. And Casa and all of the man them who come support the thing. Because we don't make it big, we want an amphitheater. So if we don't pay a penny at the gate, we're not going to see it back. Because we're not so greedy. Don't it Irace? That's the truth. It's big in favor. Bonnie. Members only. It's a private party. It ain't. Don't need much money. You qualify. So don't bring your checkbook. Just bring one broken hearted. Somebody there if you're talking. And it's members only tonight. Say you lost your woman, say you lost your man, yeah. Bring a lot of problems and they're all in your life. Said, Orius Brown, show up this party, yes, Mr. Brown. If you're sad and lonely heart, come and step down the road, we got a load of happiness just for you. Thank you all for coming through. Play me already, man. Hear that track and let's play me something sweet. Like, yeah? And the woman them I sing for tonight. Rastafari. Rastafari. It sounds like a yellow there. Jump! Mighty. With no apologies. Earth rightful ruler. Earth rightful ruler. So he said, Junior. Call DAWKINS Junior and there see me look like too much like his mother. It's a full-time affair, I swear. Starry, starry night, starry June. Under one silvery moon. Under that silvery moon. Lights on your face, I'd see you. Pull it up again, she said. You're a lady. And the lady I whistle, you know. The lady what is a whistle. Say, imagine. You have to slap our Christmas card, but play the thing again. Oh yeah. It's a full-time affair, I swear. Starry, starry night, starry June. Under one silvery moon. Under that silvery moon. Lights on your face and seen your every trace. True love, what you want can give. Tenderness, nothing less. I did my best, yes I did what I did. Make believe all it is. What I love, who are you? What I love, I said, girl. Baby, I can remember yet I can. Smoke a love on your breath. What do we do, girl? Tell me who will it be? But a full-time affair. Full-time affair. Full-time affair, yeah. But in Junior, full-time affair to make sure say a passage there. Full up, you know. And she would tell her friends, you know, we had with him last night, I just pee whip him. I said you have to pull up our cup. Whether she want coffee, tea or you. Hear the man them over here, so satisfaction. When you satisfied with the musician then, I want them to be satisfied with the musician then. Talk to me now. Alright then. You don't work it out, you come with a light, come and rehearsal. This is just playing anything. Wheel up here, wheel up, me not satisfied, call, wheel up, no man, come again. I need it now. Yes, I want peace of mind. Gonna get it, I know it's there somewhere for me. Gonna get love, I know that I will. Satisfaction won't come until. Don't you fret now, I'll get love yet. I got this faith within me. Just to wait for me to test. When I tell you what you believe, get it up on me, woman, I got to. Got to. Hey, I got to. Got to stop. Got to stop.
You want to hear some more Carl Dawkins? Yeah. Would you like one more Carl Dawkins? Put your hands together and welcome Mr. Carl Dawkins. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together and welcome Mr. Carl Dawkins. Mr. Satisfaction. Carl, Asha Dawkins.
That was a big thing for John Holt, you know, in New York. But we have my credit, because she called me, you know. Because she no seat, I no furniture, no in there, you know. She called me, because I stand in love all the time. You know where them are going. But anyway, my musician, what you say? When I pull stump, darling, I found out a long time ago, girl. Yes, I found out that you don't need me anymore. But I'll keep on loving you in BERES. It's gonna say the same. And oh, I won't cry, I won't shed no tear, no, darling. But sometimes if you talk dirty, you win. No cure, you see them pretty and up in society. Look here, if you speak the dirty thing, it's not dirty, you know, because the dog do it and the cats do it. And the birds do it and fly, so we can do it in the earth. And yes, Junior Madden have quite a few more kids like I and I. They go like that. Don't ever let me die down. Don't ever let the feeling of love go. Love you. Love you. Thank you for
don't you know, your father is watching you, everything that you do, that you do what you do. My brother, you're doing what you
picture and some heavy
to see what we desire.
Right, that's what
Yeah, no, we're not a mix in
Do you love that?
Just